Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be driving my Tesla Model 3 using hardware 3 running FSD 12.6.4. And I'm not feeling the greatest, so if I sound a little funny guys, I'm sorry. I took a lot of medicine and I'm very hydrated. So hopefully I don't sound that weird, but I am not feeling absolutely amazing, so just be mindful of that, I guess. Today we're going to be driving down some pretty busy roads. There is a nice Model Y in front of us, so we're going to have to see how Tesla FSD 12.6.4 and hardware 3 in general will handle this drive today. I don't expect to see many problems, but usually when I say that, we get the worst situations ever, and sometimes it fails, which is kind of crazy. So if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe because I post videos like this one every single day. So yeah, this light should be changing soon. This is a pretty crazy intersection sometimes. If you guys live in the area, you guys would know this is there's a lot of accidents that actually happens in this plaza because of this intersection. But I don't think we're gonna have much problems. I think it's just any plaza with the Costco. They get the advance. Who knows, maybe this Model Y has FSD on as well. And the light is now green. It was raining earlier, so the roads are a little bit wet, but it shouldn't affect our drive too much. It might actually rain mid-drive. There are some electric chargers. There is a Tesla charging in it currently. I still haven't charged using third-party chargers. I've only been mainly using superchargers because with third-party chargers I need to get an adapter, and I just never got the adapter yet. But it's following the road very well. It's just following right behind this Tesla that may be also using FSD. I think that's a hardware 4 vehicle as well, so it would probably have a better version of FSD. We're gonna be making a left, so it's getting into the left lane here. It's a green light, so we're just gonna get through. But it's stopping behind this Tesla and just decelerating very smoothly, very nicely. We're gonna make it through this light. We're gonna be making a left. Light turns yellow, but it's still going through. It also looks like I'm pressing the pedal with my foot here, guys. I know you guys commented all the time, like, am I pressing the gas pedal? If I do press the gas pedal, I'll let you know. It's just we're coming a little fast here. FSD, slow down, please. And it slows down, but it also wants to get over to the lane to get around this truck. It's very aware of that stuff. But yeah, so my foot is here just because the position that I'm in, like my seating position while recording, is a little bit further back and a little bit down. So it looks like my leg is pressing the gas pedal, but just pretty extended. I'm pretty comfortable driving like this, just to give you guys a better view, but I'm also pretty comfortable in this position right now. But yeah, so far the drive has been really smooth, very nice, and I'm able to feel pretty comfortable. And hardware 3 is really good at this kind of driving, especially when you're not feeling the best, like I currently am. I'm able to still drive and do what I need to do, and it's a little bit much more you know, manageable, because sometimes if you guys get sick, you guys know sometimes it's really rough and you just feel like garbage. That is a weird truck noise. I don't know what that noise that truck is making. That's so weird. But yeah, you guys would know that, you know, being sick is not fun, and it's not the best, especially when you need to get to places, get to work, and just, you know, drive. So it's kind of cool how FSD could really help make the drive a little bit more manageable. I am paying attention. I don't know why it thinks I'm not. We're going to be making a right at this light, so we're getting over to the right lane here. Slows down smoothly behind this Corolla. And we're just waiting for the road to be clear so we can make this right. The cars are now trying to make the right here. I think it's getting a little bit more clear. The light's about to change. We're slowly creeping up towards the crosswalk. And it is green, so we're going to be making this right, and it makes this right very smoothly. Hugs the corner there. That was really nice. Very, very normal. That was pretty much how I would do it. Now we're getting up to speed, going the speed limit. This bus is trying to come in here. Still doesn't want to come in, so we're just going to go past the bus and just slow down behind this Corolla again. That was very smooth and coming to a stop. And the distance, the stopping distance behind the Corolla is very, very acceptable. I'm very happy with that. It's not too close, not too far. It's just honestly kind of perfect. Now this bus does want to make a left in here. And we always got to be nice to our bus drivers. You know, they have a really hard job, you know, dealing with Toronto, you know, people, and also dealing with people on the road. Is he doing a heart? That's crazy. Nah, that's love. Nah, we gotta let him have it. He was doing a heart in the mirror. Oh my god, I love that. I'm definitely gonna let him in. Yo, he's awesome. That's why you guys always gotta be nice to them, you know what I mean? You guys gotta let them in. They got a hard job, they gotta drive all day, you know. And that was pretty awesome. Now we're gonna go around the driver, or the bus driver. FSD kind of just doesn't want to go too slow. And did that very safely, very smoothly, and now it's just kind of following the flow of traffic here while staying pretty centered. These cars are trying to make a left here, so he wants to get over to the right. And did that very smoothly. There is a lot of traffic up here. We slow down and to a nice stop, good distance, good deceleration. No complaining with that one. Now we have some traffic driving, which always sucks, but FSD always makes traffic a lot easier. Personally, that's when I use it the most, and it's just able to kind of enjoy the drive a little bit without having to press the brake pedal and just wear out my brakes and stuff, you know, using a traditional gas car. Coming to another stop here. Very smooth, very comfortable, very relaxing. And if you guys think FSD is doing a good job, be sure to comment down below. I've been reading a lot of your comments. You guys have FSD and you guys are looking to get your own Tesla. And it's pretty awesome seeing all the love you guys are showing on the videos. I'm always gonna post every single day. That's the goal. If I miss an upload, it's probably because of something, some like emergency or something. Like I don't know. Like I just get really busy in the day, and I just don't have time to record. Even though I don't feel the greatest today, I just wanted to get a video out for you guys. You know, a lot of you guys are waiting for the latest videos, which is awesome. You guys are watching when it comes out and just liking and commenting and stuff. So thank you guys so much for all the love you guys are showing on the latest videos. And yeah, just comment down what you guys think, how FSD is doing, and would you guys consider to get FSD? Version 14 Lite is just around the corner, so I really can't wait to install that. I check every single day and I still don't have it. I really wish I was like some sort of early access Tesla FSD for like account or something. I don't really know how you get that. And if you guys do know, if you guys are an early access FSD person or whatever, comment down below like how'd you obtain that kind of access, and if it's possible for other people to get that kind of access. But I'm okay with just waiting. I just wanna get it so I could make videos about it, and you guys could kind of see if hardware 3 and an older Tesla is a lot more worth it than maybe getting a newer one, because the newer ones are kind of expensive. And yeah, this traffic is very boring, so I might just end the video here, guys. It's just gonna handle the traffic and it's just comfortable. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe, because I post videos like this one all the time. I cover hardware 3 and just Tesla FSD in general. This channel is not meant to just be Tesla FSD, but it's the only car I own currently that has self-driving. I would totally like to look into getting maybe a Chinese car, maybe like the newer Teslas, to just show you guys how those FSD systems work, and just make more videos about FSDs and self-driving features in general. And yeah, be sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys think and what you guys want to see in the future. And thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, peace.